Welcome back, you dirty fucks. Today's coffee is turtly awesome. And this is trading coffee and drinking Forex. Or the other way around, I can never remember. So last week, I was a back-to-back profitable trader. The question on everybody's mind this week: can he make it 3? That's what you were thinking, right? Fuck Christmas. What you wanted to know was, 3 times in a row? This guy? Not possible. Well, of course it's fucking possible, you doubting little bitches. I don't have enough headspace in this closet. To be honest, I kinda took a beating this week. The market would hit me in the face, and then I would hit the market in the face. The market would hit me back in the face, so I'd hit the market back in the face. Some major news reports were coming out this week, so I did the thing I always do that everyone tells me not to do but always seems to work out. I bracketed both sides and got the fuck out in a hurry. Made 300 pips on one of them and like 100 pips on the other. Why doesn't everyone do this? FX book is down for some reason, so I'll post it right here once it recovers. And have a look at my weekly performance. Now, the bad news is I would go to buy the dip on all the currencies this week, which turned out to not be dips at all, right? Whoop, whoop, whoop. The good news is I learned they weren't dips anymore, that the position had reversed, so I just bought in the other way. Made money that way. Like I said, took a loss, got it back. Took a punch the face, kick the face the kick. This was good actually, because it taught me that I need some kind of trend indicator. Not the horse shit 200 EMAs or whatever. You know what I don't like? Hold on. You know what I don't like about EMAs? It shows that they're in an uptrend. Whoa. But this whole fucking time they're coming back down. They're in an uptrend, but they're coming back down. So you get a different moving average, one that's a little closer. I don't have my mouse with me. Great, now you can tell if it's an uptrend or a downtrend. Even better, 2 lines, right? Well, what about this whole area? And this horse shit? Your lines are still telling you that it's in a downtrend. It's in an uptrend. In fact, unless you have a moving average that's just the price action itself, there's always going to be a period where it's reverting to the mean, and you will lose all that distance. I forget why I went off on this tangent. Right, I got a better trend indicator, and so for now on, I'm still going to use my system, which works when it works until the trend reverses. Then it doesn't work until I figure out that the trend reversed. So, from now on, trade with the trend. Trend is your friend, all that bullshit they tell you. Basically, right? You all know this. So I'll take my little cuts from here to here, and then when I see this shit's about to happen, I don't touch it. And then this shit happens, I'm only going to take my little cuts from here to here. What is this? I don't know. I'm going to take this. That's what I'm going to take. My money. You can have this money, but this is my money. Our time now.
Down here, it's our time. It's our time down here.
So we'll see how that goes. I would have actually done a lot better, but I spent all of Friday in the basement of a hospital with no phone reception, and when I got out, all of my trades had turned from profit to stop losses, and I wasn't there to get out when I could, because fucking health had to get in the way. Some kind of closet disease or something. Hepatitis! Also, I've improved my color coding system, if anyone cares. So I'm looking at Odd CAD, for example, as a blue. This is the end of the downtrend. This is the range. And so as soon as this motherfucker opens, I think it's Odd CAD. This looks right. I'm hopping in right here, and we're going and we're going to the moon. The moon! Or more realistically, I'll probably try to target it within this area here. Still, that's a lot of pips. And the pink, obviously, on the opposite of the odd. Trending, done with the up. We're going down now, folks. Gone down now. Nothing to stop us. So that's clearly the blue and the pink. The purple, if I recall, is I don't fucking know. No, I'm not saying I don't know. I'm saying that's what the purple means. It's either acting oddly or just falling forever. Or perhaps it's just NZD CAD and it just never, ever stops going up. Ever.
The bonds aren't going down. They won't move. It's possible that we are in a completely fraudulent system.
So that's purple. It's either in some weird clusterfuck, or it's just dropping or climbing with no end in sight. And then finally, I don't have a single one on here. All right. I also use the yellow whenever it's in a range. This only happens for a short time. I'm actually surprised Euro GBID, Euro GBUP, BPOP, POPUP, GIBUP, which is forever in a range its entire life. I mean, look at this bullshit going back to April. Just brrr, brrr. But that's usually stuck on my permanent range list. But yeah, I feel pretty good. In the shitty month of December where everyone loses, I took my hits to the face and I came out with 3 championship weeks. And I kept learning, which means next week is not going to count. I'm going to call that now, because the market's going to be closed so goddamn often I won't be able to get any trades in. Fucking Christmas. Birth of Christ, my ass. I've got an already profitable system in a tumultuous month that I've just now added a trend indicator to. I sense good things. Good things are coming. I'll see you next week.